Hi, I'm Brian Simmons with Oil Solutions Group, and today I'm going to show you how to install and maintain your Masterfil filter. Begin by setting aside the top plate and triangle clip or bar clips if you have an older model fryer. Do not use the top plate with the Masterfil filter, as this will severely limit the performance of the filter. Next, you want to insert the filter screen into the Masterfil filter and close with your new 12-inch bar clip. Make sure all the parts are dry before you begin assembly. Best practice is to fold the filter under to maximize the filtration area and create a small air gap between the bottom of the pan and the filter. Finally, simply screw on the standpipe assembly, making sure that the connection is tight. If it is not tight, improve the connection by torquing down the standpipe in small increments. Place all the pieces back into the pan and you are now ready to reinstall the filter pan. Begin by removing the lid, emptying the crumb basket, and setting those parts aside on a clean, sanitized surface. Next, scrape the filter at a 90-degree angle using a MasterScoop or flat blade spatula. If you don't already have one, please contact us if you would like a MasterScoop. Once the filter is clean, scoop out the crumbs. Finally, return the crumb basket and lid and you are ready to start frying again. Make sure you clean the filter twice a day to ensure optimal performance. Thank you for using Masterfil. We look forward to hearing from you.